am super excited to show you an unboxing of an Umi tea set from China, and it goes so perfectly with the A Year Poetry Tea Time adventure because it has a whole section about planning yourself a outdoor tea picnic, and this is supposed to be a travel set. So let's see what's inside here. So in China they call tea, well, the word for tea is cha, and it's actually comprised of 3 characters put together. It's the plant character, the person character, and tree character. Kind of representing like how the 3 is 1. And then there's the word Tao, which comes from the philosophy of like human balance with nature. And so Cha Dao, which hopefully I'm saying that right, is their word for like, you know, their drinking of their tea. And did you know that this is crazy? Tea is the second most drank substance, second to only water in the world, with a total of 3 billion cups drank a day. And that is, you know, black teas, herbal teas, all different kinds of teas. So I thought that was pretty fascinating. Because here in America, like, coffee is king. But it wasn't always like that. If you go back in history, tea was the thing until the Boston Tea Party. Tea is definitely having a comeback, or has had a comeback for quite some time. So, well packed. Let's get this open. Oh, it's cute. It's got this really, really nice case here. And it's got this nice stretchy band around it to keep it all together. I don't know what's in there. I think I'm gonna check this out first. Okay, so it comes with this pretty little glass, like little pitcher type thing here. Okay, let's see what's in the box. And I really like this because when I was writing the book, I really wanted to have a travel tea set. So this is really nice for traveling because it's really well protected. Oh my goodness. Look how cute and adorable this is. Okay. Like I said, these are from Umi tea sets. They have all different sizes. They have individual travel tea sets. They're super adorable. It's like a single cup in a little carrying case. So if you are, you know, if you go to work and you want to enjoy like a nice cup of tea, you can just take your single little travel cup. They're super pretty, super cute. Okay, so look at how cute this little teapot is. Super adorable. Oh, and if you can see inside, inside there, it actually has these little, like, it's a strainer. So if you put the leaves in there, you're not gonna put leaves inside your stuff. Got this cute little mat. Put down. And this is this one's nice because it has more than 1 cup. So look how pretty that blue porcelain little design on there is. And as you guys see, these do not have handles. Okay, because in a Chinese tea set, there are no handles. They're just cute little bowls. And those are the cups. Okay. Amazing. Okay, so this little strip here is to protect your little teapot when it goes into your travel set. So it's going to wrap around like so. So that way you can place it back into it. It kind of has like a, it's not sticky, it's not Velcro, but it sticks to itself. Get that, right? So this goes into here. Like so. There we go. There we go. Okay, and then, let's see, is this gonna fit? I think it fits. Then I believe, okay, you have your little cups. You're gonna wrap them in your little mat. It's here. Okay. And then they stay protected. You slide it into here, and that is set into your case. Like so. Nice and secure. Like, it ain't going nowhere. nice and stuck, okay? And you got your lid. Fits right back on top. Like that. And then, there you go. Ready to go on a picnic to anywhere. You read your poetry, enjoy some tea. To get your own Umi travel tea set, all you have to go to is umiteasets.com, and then you can use the code Poetry Tea Time and you'll get 5% off. They have a bunch of sales going on right now, and I just tried it, and the code will give you the 5% off on top of their other sales. So definitely go check that out. And I hope you'll go with your kids or yourself, a loved one, go out and have a tea picnic with your very own Umi tea set.